So, today I'll be unboxing Magic Mouse 2 in Space Gray and Magic Keyboard 2, the numeric keypad in Space Gray. I got these for Christmas and I already opened them, so I had to rebox them. So I'm going to unbox them and then, yeah, that's basically going to be the video. So, I'm going to give my first impression opinions on them. Well, not my first impression technically, but my impression of them without actually using them. And maybe I'll do a review of them later on. Jesus, I forgot the keyboard's still on in the box, so so yeah. But yeah, okay, so let's get on with the unboxing. These Apple's boxes, whatever the cardboard they use, just has a smell. This new Apple product smell. So, what should I do first? The mouse to the keyboard? I did the mouse. So, oh, they have a nice smell. I know it sounds weird, but they do. Come on. Oh, they look so good. Look how good that looks. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. Oh, that looks so good. I love this black aesthetic. Oh my god, it looks amazing. The keyboard. Oh. Okay, that's going to be annoying. Come on, come out. Come out. There you go. I love this so much. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my god. Black lightning cable. Oh my god, so let's just unwrap it. Oh my god, the wrapping as well is so satisfactory. The sounds it makes, just how well and tightly wrapped it is. Oh, don't. Oh my god, it looks amazing! Look how good that looks. Oh my god. This keyboard, oh my god, I'm in love with it. Oh, I can't. The design of this keyboard. The black just looks absolutely amazing. God. A lot of silence in this video, I know. But yeah, I bought my iMac second hand. So I got this keyboard with it. And as soon as I got this, I knew one, I wanted to get the Gen 2 keyboard because I do not like deep keys. And two, I wanted the numeric keyboard. I wanted that numeric pad. So that's what I got. And both of them look good, but this, oh my god, it looks amazing. I can't get over how good it looks. Oh my god, Space Gray. Oh my god, this looks so good. Oh. And then the mouse, obviously I got this mouse with this. Now this stopped working altogether, so I needed a new mouse. So yeah, oh my god, the black just looks amazing. I can't. Also, because this is black, the glossy shows, it's like an actual mirror. The whiteness doesn't show the, but still, oh my god, it's amazing. And the keyboard also comes with a black lightning cable. Unfortunately, it's USB and not USB-C. But anyway, black lightning cable. They should ship them with the black phone and the midnight green phone. That'd look amazing. Oh my god, yes. I'm using my phone to record. No Apple stickers, unfortunately. Okay, so that's it. That's the unboxing. And I'll get back to you with the review for my keyboard. And the review for my TV will be coming soon as well. Okay, see you soon. Ciao tutti.